Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll start with a new topic, that is cone. Now, what is a cone? A cone is a solid obtained on revolving a right angle triangle about one of its sides other than hypotenuse is called a cone or a right circular cone. That is, simple words mein you must have seen cone on regular basis. That is, you must have seen birthday caps. They are conical in shape. Also ice cream cones, okay, they are conical. So cone mathematically kaise hoga? How will it appear? Now, solid obtained on revolving a right angle triangle. Let's say this is the right angle triangle, okay, and I am revolving it about one of its sides. So let's say I'm revolving it about like this, ठीक है, ये green side में ऐसे ही रख रही हूँ as its height and I'm revolving this. What will happen if I revolve this, keeping this as its axis? What will happen? It will form a cone, imaginary cone form हो रहा है, ठीक है? It is rotating like this. So what is it forming? It is forming a circular area, ठीक है? And what is this forming? A cone, ठीक है? एक cone form हो रहा है ऐसे. Alright, it is revolving like this, or you can rotate it about this, ठीक है, about this red line. So you can rotate it about this side or this side, but not about hypotenuse. Okay. So if I rotate it like this, तो भी it is forming a cone. If I rotate it like this, then also it is forming a cone. Okay. The only thing is the height of the cone may vary and the base may vary, but it is forming a cone. Alright. Now, what are the dimensions that we need to know about a cone? Only then we can find the area and volume of the cone. So, the important dimensions, the basic dimensions that we need to know. This is the cone. We need to know the radius of the base. This base, if you notice, it is what? It is circular, ठीक है? It is a circle. Cone को अगर base ऐसे देखो, if you take an ice cream cone, तो क्या होगा? Base is circular, okay? That is the top part of the cone. Ice cream cone तो हम लोग उल्टा पकड़ते हैं. So that is what? It is circular. Now it is circular, तो circle के लिए we need to know the radius of the circle. Only then we'll be able to find the area and circumference of the circle. So we need to know the radius of the base of the cone. Second thing, that is h, that is perpendicular height. ठीक है? Now perpendicular height, that is cone का ये वाला height, ठीक है? Let's say this is the triangular part of the cone, ठीक है? So ये part height पता होना चाहिए, ठीक है? Height. Next is slant height. Slant height is this height, ठीक है? L. That you need to know. So R, H and L, three things you need to know to find volume, curved surface area, total surface area. ठीक है? For volume, now what is the volume of cone? Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now you will say, we have seen pi r square h. Pi r square h is the volume of cylinder. Okay? So how is volume of cone 1/3 of the volume of cylinder? Volume of cylinder we know is pi r square h. So let's say there is a cylinder whose base का radius is same as the radius of this cone, ठीक है? And दोनों का height is also same. इसका height is h and इसका भी perpendicular height. We are talking about perpendicular height. Okay? Is same. So if I take this cone and I fill it with water, okay, I'm talking about two figures, ठीक है? यहाँ पे one is cylinder, one is cone, and दोनों का height and radius is same. Then if I fill this cone with water and I pour this water inside the cylinder, what will happen? It will fill only 1/3 of this cylinder. Okay, it will fill only 1/3 of the cylinder. Means volume of the cone is 1/3 the volume of the cylinder. Okay, so that is why volume of the cylinder is 1 by 3 pi r square h. That is, you need to fill the cone 3 times, okay, to fill the cylinder completely. ऐसे 3 cones भर के हम लोग को पानी डालना पड़ेगा. Only then the cylinder will be filled completely. Now coming to the curved surface area or lateral surface area of the cone. Lateral surface area of the cone is pi r L. How? I'll explain it to you in a while. So it is pi r L. Total surface area. Total surface area, curved surface area होगा, ठीक है, pi r L, that is curved surface area. कर्व्ड होगा प्लस बेस का पार्ट होगा. अभी हम लोग ने क्या डिस्कस किया? ओनली कर्व्ड सर्फेस एरिया ऑफ कोन. कोनिकल कैप्स, द बर्थडे कैप्स दैट वी वेयर, ओके, दे आर जस्ट कर्व्ड सर्फेस एरिया. इट डज नॉट हैव बेस. ऑलराइट, सो ओनली कर्व्ड सर्फेस एरिया का बात करें, सो द एरिया ऑफ द कोनिकल कैप्स और द आइसक्रीम कोन्स इज व्हाट? पाई आर एल. Okay, that is curved part. But total, what will be the total area? That will be the curved part plus the base. Now base is what? Circular. So if the cone is closed, so total surface area will be curved surface area plus the base, that is pi r square. ठीक है, base is circular. This is pi r L and this is pi r square. pi r common लिया, then we are left with L plus R. So total surface area of cone is pi r into L plus R. Now we'll discuss how the curved surface area of a cone is pi r L. Now we'll find the curved surface area of the cone. Now curved surface area of the cone is pi r L, but how do we get pi r L? For that, let us consider a cone. ठीक है, so let's say this is a cone. All right, this is a perfect cone. Now this is the slant height of the cone. ठीक है, ये red part जो marked है, that is the slant height of the cone. ठीक है, it is forming slant height, and this is the circular base of the cone. ठीक है, so this is the base of the cone and this is the slant height, and इसका perpendicular height क्या होगा? It will be straight. ठीक है, inside में होगा straight height. So if I open this cone, okay, if I open this cone, what will happen? This will appear like a sector of a circle. ठीक है, it is appearing like a sector of a circle. You must have studied a circle, okay, and its sector, a piece of a circle is called a sector of a circle. Okay, so this is like a sector. Now इसका slant height जो है, okay, this will become the radius of the circle. Now if I use this length and form a circle with this, ठीक है, तो क्या हो गया? This is a part of that circle. All right, this is a sector of this circle. Now ये circle का radius क्या हो जाएगा? It is L. Okay, so radius of this circle will be L, and what will happen to this round part of this base of this cone? It is 2 pi r, okay, circumference. So this will become the arc of this part. ठीक है, this is the arc of the circle, this is the sector, and this is the arc of this circle. So this is 2 pi r, बराबर, because this was the base of the circle, and what is the circumference of the base of this cone? It is 2 pi r, and I have drawn this circle having radius L, not r but radius L. Okay, so this is the sector. Now if I find the area of this sector, इसका पूरा area क्या है? If I find that, it is nothing but the area of this cone, curved surface area of this cone. ठीक है, so to find the curved surface area of this cone, I need to know the area of this sector. Now I can easily find the area of this sector with the help of this circle and the sector का dimensions. ठीक है, so for circle and for sector, we'll write down what all is given to us. Now for the cone, we know slant height is L, ठीक है, and the base we know, ठीक है. सो फॉर कोन वी नीड टू फाइंड द CSA, ठीक है, CSA पता होना चाहिए. रेस्ट ऑल थिंग्स वी नो R, L and H. Now we need to find CSA. For CSA we need to know the area of the sector. So CSA of cone is nothing but the area of this sector. So I need to find the area of this sector. Now area of the sector के लिए I need to know the area of the circle and all. Okay, so let us use these formula. Area of sector is what? Area of sector is theta by 360 into area of circle. ठीक है, you take theta by 360 into pi r square. But over here the circle का radius is not r, it is L. So it will be theta upon 360 into pi L square. Now I need to build the relation between r and L. ठीक है, because in formula I have r as well as L, pi r L है. Now for that let us consider circumference of the circle. I am talking about this whole circle. What will be the circumference of the circle? It is 2 pi r. But what is the radius here? It is L. So it will be 2 pi L. Okay. And what will be the length of arc? Length of the arc. I am talking about this arc. Green part. This arc is nothing but 2 pi r. ठीक है, so length of this arc is 2 pi r. This length is nothing but this part of the cone, and this part of the cone we know is 2 pi r. So length of the arc is 2 pi r. But length of arc, now length of arc का there is one more formula, it is theta upon 360 into 2 pi L. बराबर, length of arc is 2 pi r according to this, but length of arc according to the circle, what will I get? Theta upon 360 into 2 pi L. मतलब this is equal to this. So therefore 2 pi r is equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi L. 2 pi gets cancelled. We are left with r is equal to theta upon 360 into L. But what do I need to know? I need to know area of sector. In area of sector we have pi L square. So we need to know what is L over here. L in terms of r. So I'll shift this over here. Therefore L क्या हो जाएगा? 360 upon theta into r. ठीक है, this will go in the numerator and this will go in the denominator. So 360 upon theta into r. So this is L. So I'll substitute this over here. Area of sector is what? Theta upon 360. This is the theta. ठीक है, I forgot to mention. This is theta. इसका angle है. ठीक है. So theta upon 360. We don't know the angle. We don't even need to know the angle. ठीक है, it will get cancelled. Into pi into L into L. L square को I can write as L into L. Now theta upon 360 into pi into L. 1L को what I'll substitute? I'll substitute this as 360 upon theta into r. This L I substituted like this. ठीक है, and 1L I'll keep as it is. So 360 gets cancelled, theta gets cancelled. We are left with pi r L. So area of this sector is this. That is CSA of the cone is this. Therefore CSA, that is curved surface area of cone, is pi r L. Now in a cone, what is the relation between R, L and H? We need to find that. ठीक है, so there is a cone. ठीक है, This is the perpendicular height, that is h. This is the radius of the base, and this is the slant height. If you notice, this thing is a triangle, right angle triangle. Okay. Now this is side 1, this is side 2, and this is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. Therefore h square plus r square is equal to l square. You need to remember this for the cone. Okay.